Hi, this is a price action analyst. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Just doing a video on Lend. Lend. I wanted to do a video because Lend is breaking out right now. So I'm just doing my daily analysis, and Lend has come up and retraced this support level, and it's come in shallow of this support level here and pushed up and then retraced. And when it did this buying bar, I put out a buy recommendation, and so you can see there's been 3 days of retrace here, and what I was waiting for was a breakout from that consolidation to the upside, just to confirm that this support level was going to hold. And now price is going to, my expectation now is price for it to cycle back up to resistance. Had this broken on the downside at any stage and pushed down here, and my expectation would have been a wash of these pivots and the support. But as we saw strength here and a retrace and then strength on the retrace, it led me to believe that this was the low and that this was going to push up to the upside. So that's actually happening now, and we'll drill down to the hourly bar. But basically, Lend is probably something that I would be willing to buy right here. I don't see a lot of risk in it here. If we drill down to the hourly, you can see it's had quite a strong push up. So this was our consolidation. This was the push up, the retrace. So my buy recommendation was a result of this push up. This was, strength coming off these lows. There was air here. You had a retest of the air and a strong push up. That kind of, as price fills the, shows strength on the way up and then fills that air and shows strength, led me to believe that this was going to break out on the upside. So we had to sit through about 3 days of retrace here, but that push is the, I was fairly certain here this push kind of seals it for me with this volume spike. So the other thing is it's broken out of this trend, and you can see the retrace is very shallow. The bars are very small, and they've all left wicks, and it's retraced the trend line, and now it's pushing up. So it's high probability now that this pushes out of here. So I just thought I would put this out as, like a real-time update. It's well, everyone's in different time zones, so I don't think it matters. But that is ready. If I was looking to invest in another coin, that's an ideal entry point for Lend. Worst case scenario, and again, this is low probability to me, it might come back and fill the air here. I don't think it's going to do that. These wicks here indicate price, and this buying bar indicate price is going to push. But yeah, worst case scenario range wise is kind of that. And so those bars are at, this is in Bitcoin, 2953 and 3064. Price is at 3135. So generally I give, when I saw this bar, a buy recommendation went out. So again, we're holding crypto for the long term, so you should be able to sit through that. This is not ultra short term trading stuff. If it was, I would have levels like this air and say, put your buy order there. So when you're waiting here, your buy order gets hit, and then you'd probably sell at the retest of this high or close to it. But that's not kind of what this is set up for. It's more set up for what we're doing now. So you can put a buy recommendation here, have it push against you a little bit, break out. But, when it did this and went through support, I now expect it to cycle up to resistance. So it's, it's washed support again, but now it's, it's even more likely to push up here. And again, it's not necessarily going to be a straight line. You could see price do a whole manner of things on the way up, but my expectation now is for it to get to resistance before it comes back to support. Yes. So anyways, I'll wrap it up there. That's Lend. I just think that you know, I can only, with the amount of these that I look at every day, you know, it's not like I'm staring at one crypto all day. I go through and look at them once a day, which the process takes a matter of hours. But this one, I just happened to see it at a point where I think it's going to break out of here. So I thought I'd do a video on that. So making a rod for my own back, but there is my buy recommendation now on Lend at 3124 Bitcoin. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel. Please like this video. Please consider subscribing to my daily alert service for cryptocurrencies. It's this type of thing, choosing ideal entries for model cryptocurrencies and just accumulating them in a portfolio. I do give exit alerts now and again, but it's mostly focused around getting people in at good prices, like this one on Lend, where price is less likely to push against them. So if that's something you're interested, please have a look. It's all the information's in the description box, or you can email me at thepriceanalyst@gmail.com. I'm also on Twitter @priceanalyst. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.